Hi, today I'm going to show you how to keep vegetables fresh. This is the date I brought, February 22nd. February 22nd. Today is March 8th. It's not clear. Today is March 8th. So I will show you last 1 week pictures. This is the mint. This is mint and this is coriander. Okra. Now I will show you after 15 days how the coriander will look. This is the 15 days coriander. What I did, just take one tissue. Let me show you. Tissue paper and put tissue down. These are the little bit. See? So just take and cut how much ever you want to cut the vegetables. Close. That's it. I will show you how mint will look. One second. Okay, got it. This is the mint, 15 days mint. We'll see down how it looks. Only 1-2 leaves are dark. That's it. Other everything is fine. I'm sorry. So I put tissue paper. So cut all the vegetable. You can keep vegetables also, but lot of vegetables I used. It is over, so only the leaves are left. See, mint so fresh. You can keep still 1 more week. I will take a picture or video after 1 more week. We'll see how mint will look. 21 days. And this is methi leaves. Let's see the down part. Yeah, this is fine, and only 1-2 leaves. That's it, otherwise everything is fine. So I will just take it tissue paper and put it down, and then whatever vegetables you want to keep, you can store up to 3 weeks, I think. This is the video for 2 weeks vegetables. Okay, thank you for watching video. Bye.